If your Lincoln Corsair is refusing to launch Apple CarPlay, don't worry. Most of the time, the fix takes less than 2 minutes. Statistically, over 85% of these connectivity issues are caused by faulty cables or minor software glitches in the sync system. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to identify whether the problem is your phone, the cable, or the car. Start with the basics by toggling your Bluetooth and ensuring your iPhone is unlocked before you plug it into the primary data port. Inside your iPhone settings, verify that Siri is enabled and that CarPlay isn't being blocked by your screen time restrictions. Never underestimate a bad cable. Always use an Apple-certified cord and check your phone's charging port for any packed-in pocket lint. While wireless CarPlay is convenient, switching to a wired connection is the best way to troubleshoot a failing signal. As this data shows, hardware failure in the dash is rare. Focus your efforts on the cable and the sync software first. If the screen is frozen, perform a soft reset by holding the power button and the skip forward button until the system reboots. If all else fails, a master reset in the settings menu or a brief battery disconnect can clear deep-seated software bugs. Remember, modern cars are rolling computers. Most glitches just need a fresh start to work perfectly again. Hopefully this got your maps and music back on the screen. Safe driving, and we will see you in the next fix.